So, how's things going there? Here on the Surfside Trailer rebuild here for me, they're moving along slowly, but I am getting things done. And my goal, of course, is to try to be finished by the end of, this is May. I'd like to have this thing outside parked in the driveway by the end of May. And I think I'm going to get there. Cabinetry's all done. I'm going to show you some of the things I've been up to. You've all seen the box before. I've taken the diesel heater out of the box right now. I'll put it in at the end of summer later on. I could actually, for the camping trip that we're going to be going on this summer, I could use the storage. So we'll just leave it out for now. The only thing in there is going to be a battery. And I'll use it for storing some other things too. I don't think a propane bottle will actually fit in there. I'm not sure, but anyways. So up front here, you can see that I put the bug deflector window cover. I don't know what you want to call it. Rock guard for the front window. I have rebuilt it and reinstalled it, and I have my solar panel up there. And that's even in this garage here, it's actually charging the battery or maintaining the battery. So and as you can see here, I've run my lines through and they go inside my shelf. So you can't actually see those wires. They're hidden inside the shelf. So and of course it folds down and everything. So anyways, as we come around the camper here, you're going to find out that the door's still not on there. It's kind of my something I will be doing here within the week is putting the door back on. It's time. The trailer's still up on the jack stands here, and so I think I'm going to give the wheels a little bit of a. Might just take them apart. The hubs apart, make sure that there's grease and stuff in there. Anyways, they're all fine. Just about time to put this puppy back down, eh? So, here we go. The great indoors here. As you can see, all the cushions are in place. We have some pillows to go in there. We are making curtains for here. And this is my shelf for the front. It hides the wires, it hides the lights, everything there, and that's good. Here you can see the solar panel is turned on. See this? If this switches to solar, then that means I've connected the solar panel to the battery, and it's actually maintaining it at 12.2 volts. So that's great, and that means that if I hit this button, I'm going to get my lights. There you go. So that's all my interior lighting. The under the shelf lighting, it's like they're like pot lights. And these dimmers, you see them on the thing here. You can dim the lights, right, by touching it in different places here, or just turn it right off. Pretty cool, huh? Anyways, you can see the fridge. The fridge is turned off right now. It's not cooling, but hey, the light works. And I'm sure the light shuts off when you close the door. So that's my truck fridge. These, I'm just going to sit down here. These are all my drawers, my fancy drawers. They're built out of 3/4 inch plywood, all of it, and with an 1/8 inch bottom, but it's all glued together. It's not coming apart. These little latches, which I still have to put I have to make up a something there for them to latch to. These are my yacht cabinet latches. I'm gonna call them that because I saw them on some videos about some yachts and things, and all the teak cabinetry and the boat had these things. They were a little bit bigger than this. This is like a cheap Amazon kind of a copy of it, but basically there's a little, okay, you can leave it like that and it becomes the drawer pull, right? But when you push it in, when it's in there, it'll actually latch this drawer shut so it can't open. Okay, so yeah, so my doors, I have a drawer here as well. That'll be, one of them will be for cutlery. This will be my water jug, goes in there. This is just extra shelves here. I have my overheads. They're all nice and pretty. So there's my fan, my closet's in with a place to hang stuff. And I also have a light in the closet there to see. This is my night lights here. Pretty, huh? Anyways, there's all my cushions for my dinette, which will be made into a bed. I have filler pieces that go in here. It's my next thing to do. And then we'll make a bed out of this. It'll be a nice size bed. Surfside bed, bigger than bowler bed, so that's good. My wife wanted to say, she's telling me to talk about the screens. Okay, I've only put the screens back on these two side windows here because they're the ones that actually open. Okay, and I had to redo the screens. Somebody, and you can see it here, you can see that there, it's a little bit, anyway, somebody pried up on the screens and broke the aluminum frame. So the solution to broken aluminum frame that you can't find anywhere is to make wood and insert it in there. Okay, glue it and just like new again. So I've done that on both sides here. So we have, oh, you can see here. See how it was broken? Yeah. Anyways, I put new screen on and everything, so we're all good to go. This is just another controller for the lights under here. So, and it's like a wireless remote. Pretty cool, huh? When you're in bed, you can turn off the lights or walk around with the bloody control. Anyways, everything's come together here pretty good. And my little tiny black sink, my water pump for my thing. And I've got, of course, my regular 110 plug here with USB charge ports on it. And then when I put the inverter in by the battery there, it'll power up this plug here. So I'll have choices. And I should mention that also, I'll just sit down here, and back over here is another little control panel with some USB ports too. So if you're just running on battery power and you don't want to, and you won't be able to use these, you can use these, and it tells you the battery level as well. So, and I have it on, always on a switch, so you can turn it off so it's not draining the battery. Anyways, yeah, came along pretty good. I am so close to being finished.